Hi, I'm John with Window Cleaning Solutions. I'm here today to give you a brief overview of our house washing process, also fence washing. You can see this fence right here is extremely moldy, and it's in actually very good shape, but just has a lot of mold, and there's even some lichen growing here. And what we're going to do is go ahead and show you how we wash this. This is a vinyl fence. We're not going to use high pressure. We're going to disinfect it with some biodegradable chemicals, and I'll give you a look at it just after we finish and show you the result. I wanted to show you the results of our house washing process on this fence. You can see all the mold and mildew is removed. There is still some rust stains up there in the corner and on the top that will have to be taken off with an additional chemical process that will not come out with our mold and mildew removal process. But this is just one of two steps in order to get all of the fence back bright white, how it should be, how it looked when you originally installed it. That's what we do at Window Cleaning Solutions. This is John, signing off.